My name is Amanda. I'm a college engineering student and I'm a MaidPro professional cleaner. I've been working at MaidPro for 6 months. Being a college student, I love the flexible hours. As long as I know my test dates beforehand, my boss will always give me the day off to study. I was doing so well with their support that I was granted a spot on the dean's list last semester. Working for MaidPro is truly like working for a family. Everyone cares for each other as well as their clients. Cleaning gives me a sense of accomplishment. Whenever I leave a house, I'm always pleased with the way I left it looking. I'm constantly moving throughout the workday. It's a great workout and it helps build muscle. Since I've started working at MaidPro, I've gained a new appreciation for clean homes. I really enjoy what I do and the people that I work with. That's why I love being a pro, and you should become one too.